Yes, guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, for real. So today, guys, I'm making seafood like grilled lobster, oysters, conch, squid. Yeah, man, and I'm making a wide variety of seafood. Yeah, shrimp and clams. So I saute all my seafood in garlic butter sauce. Yeah, mixed with scallion, onions, and lime. Chop real fine, guys, with some lime juice on it. And I'm saute for about 15 minutes. Yeah, man, check, check, check. Tell me what you think about this amazing seafood combination, guys. Trust me, this one is off the chain. That is it. So stay tuned, guys. Catch it pre and watch what go on. Yeah, man.